So this week I went to Farringdon and I was stopped by a monk, and he was offering me a fist bump. You can't say no to a monk offering you a fist bump, so I reluctantly gave him the fist bump. The reason why is because I was on the way to the station. He was outside the station. I wanted to get on with my day, right? I was in a rush and I just wanted to get home. So I did that, and then off the back of that, he goes, "You look like you meditate. You should take this." And he gave me this set of books, right? And I stopped and I grabbed the books. Now I'm in a conversation because I was interested, you know? I wanted to find out more about what he thought about meditation. And I walk away. I ended up donating £10, right? Because this is what they do. And it's not the first time they got me. And I walk away and I thought about this because this is exactly the stuff that I preach. And it's funny because I didn't realize it at the time, but it worked on me, which is the box of chocolates analogy. Is that when I used to do door to door, I always wondered if I had a box of chocolates, how it would change the game. How many doors would have not been slammed in my face? How many people would have been open to a conversation? And that's how you have to think of business development and what you're doing with your go-to-market strategy. It's like, how are you rewarding the marketplace? How are you providing value? And how is it detached from what you are expecting? Because that's typically the problem. Usually the problem is that you're approaching the marketplace transactionally. So they are treating you as such. If the guy came up to me and said, "Do you want to buy a book?" I would have said no, because I had no intention of buying a book. But because he was gifting me the book, he got me to stop. And off the back of it, I ended up giving him £10. So what is your version of the book? What is your version of the gift in your business? It can be some information. It can be a cheat sheet. It can be a guide. It can be something more than that. It can actually be a part of your service. It can be a lot of things. It can be a group, a community that you invite people to connect with one another. That's a lot of what we do, is looking at ways to connect, build relationships, grow and build trust across not just leads, pipelines, but also your existing customer base. How do we accelerate customer excellence? Because we know that's a big part of business success. So these are just some of the ruminations that got me thinking off the back of a chance encounter with a monk. Hope you enjoy.